Hey, listen up. We have a brand new and simple method for today that's gonna make you $30 every 10 minutes. You heard that right. Not hours, not even days, not even weeks, months, years, but minutes. You're gonna be paid every 10 minutes. Imagine just how much money is gonna be yours at the end of every day. On top of that, you're going to get that money immediately. There will be no waiting period of any sort. It's your money, so you're going to be able to take it as you please. What's up everybody, and welcome back to the new Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos daily, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, and you'll be the first one to know and try it out. First thing we want you to do is open up Skillshare.com, and this is what you should be seeing on your screen. Now, we're sure that a lot of you have probably already heard of what this website is and what it does, but if you are new to it and you have no idea what this website is or what it does, it basically contains a lot of different types of online workshops, video training, and courses. So when people go on this website, their purpose is to learn new things or pick up a new hobby or talent that they want to acquire. People go on this website to learn stuff like animation, design, illustration, lifestyle, photo and film, business, writing, and a whole lot more. If you actually hover on browse right here on the top, you're gonna see all that they offer to create, to build, to thrive, and there's a lot more options as well. Now what we want you to do next is scroll all the way down to the most bottom part of the page, and then we want you to select on the Become a Teacher option, and that should take you to here. You're then going to create an account as a teacher and then start posting videos on teaching a specific topic to be able to start making money. Now obviously you are not going to create any of your own videos. Almost got you there, didn't I? But that is right, you are not going to be filming any of your own videos, and you're going to see exactly how that's going to work. Now before anything else, let's go through this webpage for a bit to understand a little bit more how we're going to do this. So it says inspire creativity in others, teach on Skillshare, and share your passion with members around the world. So why teach on Skillshare? When you help others along their creative journey, it's rewarding in more ways than one. By teaching on Skillshare, you can grow your online following, give back, and earn money. Top earning teachers make $100,000 and more each year. Skillshare teachers are real working creatives and experts eager to share their expertise. If you're an experienced creative pro with tips, techniques, and skills to demonstrate, we offer an extensive suite of resources and responsive support to help you create classes that inspire. How teaching works is that you're going to create your first class. You're going to film your Skillshare class and publish it with our Easy Class upload tool. We provide help every step of the way. Then you're going to grow your following. Now there are millions of members learning on Skillshare. We'll show you how to build your presence in the Skillshare community and beyond. And lastly, our favorite, start earning. You'll be paid monthly for every member who watches your classes forever. Top earning teachers, keep in mind, make $100,000 and more every year. Now, that's a big amount, and we know you guys want that, okay? If you guys want to know how you can make even more money online, over $1,000 every single day, then make sure you check our description box down below, because we have a pleasant surprise there that I know you guys are going to absolutely love. So make sure you check out our description box down below for that surprise. Also, let me know what payment method you would prefer, PayPal, Payoneer, whatever that may be. Let me know in the comments down below, because I'd love to know and read through them, and maybe I can even respond to some. But for now, let's get back into the video. Now there are some answered facts over here, so you guys can go through that if you have any remaining questions of the sort. So that's basically that.
So that's the first way to make money, right? By creating videos on a certain topic, by teaching. And the second way you can earn using this website is by making use of the referral system. So if you're not teaching, then you can keep making money by referring people. And if you're not referring people, then you can make money by teaching. It's that simple. It's that versatile. It's literally everything you can dream of. Now to start a class, you can just click on start a class right here, and then that's going to open up this page over here. You're obviously going to want to sign up, and to do so, you can just fill up all of the details being asked and just proceed with that process as you normally would. And then once you're all signed up, you should have an account just like this one. If you create a class, you're going to see this. There's a guide on how and what to do, and then an upload video button for you to upload your teaching video, which makes everything more convenient because you're not going to have to do anything manually. Now we're going to get into the part where we look for ready-made teaching videos for us to post on Skillshare so we can immediately start making money. So what we want you to do now is go on ahead and open up renderforest.com, and it is on this website where we can get our ready-made videos that we're going to use to start making money. So click on create video on the top, and that's going to take you to here. And as you can see and as you can read, video templates for all your needs. Find stunning video templates for any purpose. Create animated promos, logo reveals, slideshows, kinetic typography, music visualizations, and more with our online video maker. Let these thematic templates turn video creation into an easy and fun process. Now you can choose any template that you want, but we highly suggest that you choose the whiteboard animation toolkit because this is what's going to draw people the most. See what I did there? So click on this, and that should take you to this page right here.
Before we finish up, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. And also let us know in the comments down below what videos you'd like to see next so we can note them down and maybe do it for our next video. Now let's continue.
So to start creating your video, just click on create now right here. Then that's going to take you to over here. And you're going to be choosing among three options. You're either going to add a scene, which means you're going to browse scenes and add them to your project, or you're going to load a preset, which means you're going to choose from ready-made stories, or you can just type in your script. You're going to just type in your script and they're going to suggest the best match. You're going to choose the second one, which is to load a preset, and then you're going to click on create once you've selected that. Now you're going to see all of these ready-made stories, right? Literally whatever you're thinking, you're going to find here. Let's say you're going to choose this, right? And you can either watch the video or just click on the blue button to finalize your selection. And although the video is already made for you, you have to make changes, right? You can actually do that, and you're going to want to do that. You're going to do it. You're going to change the text positions, the font size, literally everything. And this just makes everything 10 times better. You can change the style, which you should, in the way that you want it to, the color to the colors that you want it to, the music, something that will match your tutorial. And once you've done everything, you can click on preview to download the video, and that should save straight into your computer. And just like that, you can upload it on Skillshare and make money and just repeat the whole process, and as easy as that. And that is basically everything.
If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We've finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.